Okay, so I'm gonna show you how to make the mushroom farm. So like this is just a mini version that I made. You can make it like as long as you want, doesn't matter. But like this is how it works. So like every time a mushroom grows, it will like detect it and one lamp will turn on. And that lamp will like pop it and stuff. So I'm gonna show you how to make that. So I'm gonna just make it over here. So you add So I'm gonna just use netherrack since you can like gen that, and so it'll be fine. So just gen that, then place down the mushrooms. It has to be like 4 each row. So like 1, 2, 3, 4, then 1, 2, 3, 4. It has to be like different colors and stuff. So then you place down like the lamps. So this is what like will break the mushroom and stuff. Then you place these observers. So these observers are what's going to detect the mushroom. Oops. So you just do that on both sides. It's fine. Oops. Okay, so then you have to place the observer facing the other observer. So like the red thingy will like be facing outwards. So then you do that like every other block. Then you place whatever random block, it doesn't really matter what you use. Then you place redstone dust like that. Then you do the exact same on the other side. Oh, by the way, you can make this as long as you want, it doesn't matter. I just gotta emphasize that. Alright, so then you do like that. So then what you gotta do is like place little blocks right here, so that these ones that you didn't place redstone dust on, you can like connect to the lamps. So you just place the dust like this. So for mobs not to like spawn in here, you place some blocks. It doesn't matter what block it is, just them. And then for like mushrooms to not grow on the blocks or the observers, just place down slabs. Just like that. And then you should be done. Also, if you don't want mushrooms to grow, place down slabs along here. I should have done that at the start. But like what these slabs will do is make it so that the mushrooms don't grow on the ground. If they grow on the ground, it'll make the farm slower. So then just do it like that. Alright. So then to like expand sideways, I'm gonna destroy this real quick. Just hold on. Alright, so to expand sideways, just place down the lamps right on the redstone. So then you do this like every other time you want to expand. You place down the netherrack, you gen that. Then you place the mycelium, and you place the netherrack again. So basically you just do the same thing. But I'm gonna do it just to show. Place on the redstone lamps. Place on the observers. So if you're in survival, just do it like this. Just place the observers down like that. So remember, the red thing has to be facing outwards. You place down random blocks, doesn't matter what kind of block it is. Oops. You do the exact same on this side. Then you do it like that. Place down redstone on these blocks. Then you place the observers as well. So then you place redstone dust on these observers, like so every other block. Then the mushroom placing is a little different. So since this side is brown, you gotta switch it up and place red instead, and then place the brown. So that's how you have to do it. Then again, for the mobs not to spawn, and for the mushrooms not to spawn up here. Okay, so then you just do that. Then down the slabs along here so that the mushrooms don't spawn down over here. You really have to do this, or else it'll like affect the farm really badly. Alright, but you only have to do that on the floor, you don't have to do that every layer. Alright, to expand upwards, you don't have to break the slabs, just place it on top of them. So then place the mycelium as well. Place the lamps as well, again. I'm gonna just show you how to do it so you're like confident. And you place the observers. So it's just basically just doing, it's just repetitive. It's like, this is the design that I made. Just do the same thing over and over again. And so you can like make it as big as you want, it doesn't matter. Also, I suggest doing this in a really dark room, so like the mushrooms can grow faster. Oops, I did that wrong. So I placed the blocks wrong. Placed them like that instead. That's my bad. Then you place the slabs. Alright, so the same rule applies with the mushrooms. Since this is red, that's brown. This is brown as well. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And for the mobs not to spawn, just place down the blocks and the slab. And then that's usually how you do it. You can do the same thing on this side. I'm gonna just do it real quick just to show you what it would look like. Then you place on the lamps. Then you place the observers. It's just the same repetitive thing that you have to do, especially when you're doing this in survival. Place them like that. So I'm gonna show you how you would do it. Right, then you place the blocks, place on the redstone here, this redstone there, and yeah, again with the mushrooms, since that's red, this is brown, this will have to be red. So that's just the rule, it has to be like that. Then you place the blocks so the mobs can spawn, and you place the slabs. And that is how you expand, that's how you make it, all that stuff. Also, like, since this is 100% my design, let's put down something like that or something. And yeah, that's it. That's what you gotta do.